This is inside the cab. You can see that line on the inside of the firewall. I don't know if you can see the clamp on there, but in my opinion, this is the last thing that when you reconnect your master cylinder back, that this is going to be your easiest thing to reconnect if you save this in to last. And if you come on the inside here, you can see kind of where it's going in. Pardon me, I'm moving around the phone. You can see the clamp right there on the inside. That's a bear to get to if you try to install the master cylinder first and then hook that up. It's easier to go ahead and have that hooked already clamped and clamp to the firewall last. Let me tell you a few other things. So you see the metal full line. Before you take off the old one, loosen that. Then you have two bolts here and here. That's where you disconnect those. I believe those are 13 millimeter. And then once those are loose, they'll pull out. You go ahead and you disconnect the hard line, the fluid line going in there, and then you'll disconnect the piece going up higher up. It's a pretty easy proposition. I went ahead and spilled all that fluid. I'd recommend draining the clutch section of the reservoir because otherwise you'll get all that fluid soaked in. So what I'm trying to do here is use baking powder, soak it up. I'll brush it in a little bit and then I'll vacuum it up with my wet dry, but I had a leakage there. Something also to be aware of, when you get that hydraulic fluid inside your cab and it gets on your pedals and your soles, your shoes become very slippery. I've had my shoes slip off the clutch a couple times, so be aware of that. But I hope this helps out a lot. The piece is in, pretty easy to do. There is an adjustment right there that you can see up there on the clutch pedal. That's pretty easy too. You typically want to have the same length as your old one, but you know, you can fiddle with that a little bit. That's not something that has to be precise. Have a great day. Leave me a like, subscribe. This is my first automotive video. I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I'm not someone that is an expert with automotive repairs, but I am pleased with the fact that I was able to accomplish this and save some money. Have a great day.